up, y'all? It's Zay, and today I'm gonna show you how I made one of my first go-to plant-based meals, which is actually vegan, even before I was a vegan. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna show you how we get it done in the kitchen. Remember, any of these ingredients are interchangeable. You don't have to use black beans. You can use any type of plant-based protein you want to use. You can use any type of rice. You can use quinoa, jasmine rice. I just happen to be using brown rice. And you can use any type of green. It doesn't have to be spinach. You can use kale, lettuce. I mean, whatever sounds good to you. That's the magic about this meal. Rice, it can be instant or you can cook it however you want it, but you're gonna need some rice. Some baby spinach, peppers. They don't gotta be the mini peppers. You just gonna need you some peppers and black beans or any kind of plant-based protein. So you're gonna wanna oil your pan. I use coconut oil. You can use any type of oil you want, as long as it's vegan, plant-based, whatever. Then you're gonna wanna take your rice, which you should set in the fridge for a little bit. I let this sit for a couple days in the fridge. You're just gonna wanna put that in the pan. Let that cook, let it fry, you know? Fried rice pretty much. That's pretty much what this dish is. You could call it fried rice. And you're also gonna want to hit it with some seasoning. That is up to you. Me, I like my wicked sticky teriyaki sauce. I like that, even though that's new. I didn't have that back then. I just used to use different dry seasonings like regular seasoning salt, tandoori seasoning, all kind of stuff like that. Also, you're gonna want to take your black beans, get all that juice up off them, you know. Drain them out. I usually just hit it with the sprayer. Get all that extra juice off them. All right, so I let the rice cook for a little minute. You want to hit it with some of this teriyaki. Then we're gonna want to drop the beans and the peppers. I got red peppers, sweet reds, poblanos. We're gonna want to drop them in there. Last ingredient you want to put in there is the spinach. I always like to put it in last so it can shrink up from the heat. Put that top back on there. I like that spinach to just get a little softer. I don't really want it to cook for real. I just like it to shrink up a little bit. And then all you're gonna do is just hit it with a stir. After you stir it, that's what you're gonna have. We call it that good dope, man. That's what that is. That good dope. And you can mix it however you want it. Instead of the black beans, you could put some plant-based chicken in there, some beefless ground. Instead of regular rice, you could put quinoa in there. You could put kale instead of spinach. Any type of peppers you want. You know, you can get creative with it though. This is just how I make it, and I always switch it up. Now that it's done, we went ahead and put it on that plate. And that's what you got, man. Classic, man. Raj, good dope. Alright, so that's it, y'all. You already know we got it. I gotta try it. You know it's hot as... Ooh. That's good. That's good right there, man. I'm gonna bring more cooking videos, you plant-based, vegan cooking videos. But y'all try this out. Let me know how it turned out in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'm gonna keep them coming, man. You wanna be plant-based, we're gonna be plant-based together. Appreciate y'all.